Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm showing you how to display more than 3 videos on the YouTube homepage. And I'll actually use something else than the stylus extension. An easier way to do it actually. But first guys, if you want, you can go down on this video in the comment section and click on the first comment that I pinned. This will bring you to my Fiverr and here you can get a YouTube logo and banner or a modern minimalist YouTube logo and banner for your YouTube channel. But now back to the video. So when I'm here in Google, I'm actually gonna type Chrome Store. So you just want to go to the first one right here. So it's the Chrome Web Store from Google. Up here we're gonna search for YouTube Row. And then Fixer. As you can see, we have it right here. Click on it. So this is going to be the extension. And what you want to do then is do add to Chrome. Click add extension. There you go. We can close this and this as well here. GitHub will open, but don't worry. You don't have to do anything here. We can close this as well. And so now I can close this. I'm going to go to YouTube. So as you can see, I'm on the YouTube homepage. Now, if I go up here to this puzzle piece, it's going to be the extensions. And I go down to YouTube Row Fixer. You can also pin it, by the way, if you want to. Click on it. And so here we have the different options. So you can actually hide the shorts if you want. As you can see here, we have the shorts. And if you want to hide them, as you can see, like so. And if you disable it, it will appear again. You can also hide the channel profile. So that means the icon of their channel will appear here. And you can also hide that. If it's a long title, you can actually show the full title. Of course, the most important one is going to be the videos per row here. So as you can see, we have the 3 videos that YouTube tends to do a lot right now with like very big thumbnails. And you can go easily up to 4. 5, as you can see. You can do this up to like 15, which is quite a lot actually. But of course, it's entirely up to you how many you want. Now the post per row, that's in case that YouTubers sometimes do posts. If you're interested in those, you can also do more than 3 posts that show at the same time. Shorts per row as well. Obviously here we have the shorts, which you can also increase to a number that you would like or show fewer as well. But that's once again up to you. Down here, the channel page is going to be for your own YouTube channel. So your own videos and how many videos you want per row on your own YouTube channel and how many shorts per row you want on your YouTube channel. And up here we have some settings. Of course, to enable the extension itself and to do the dark mode. Now that is within this row fixer extension here. So the dark mode is just within here. And you can also get some help or feedback. But there you go guys, that is the extension. A pretty easy one to use actually. It only really does the basics, which means increase or decrease the number of videos per row or shorts. Which once again was something you could do with stylus, but it was a bit more complicated and you had to do a bit more steps to actually get there. And this is actually a way simpler alternative to that. So that's why I wanted to show you guys this. In any case, I hope this video helped. Please if you like, would be really nice. Subscribe also really nice. Hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.